Welcome to LinesToGo installation videos. Today we will be removing and installing transmission cooler lines on a 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan using LinesToGo part number TCL-139. While this particular installation is being performed on a 2010 Grand Caravan, this set of lines will also fit the following year, make, and models, as shown on your screen now. LinesToGo lines are made using original equipment end forms and fittings that are CNC bent for an easy and precise installation. We have also upgraded to stainless steel braided Teflon hoses for rust protection and to prevent surface fouling. These have an unlimited shelf life and anti-static PTFE liner. This set of LinesToGo lines are made from G2 Galfan coated steel tubing for rust resistance that exceeds OEM standards. Tech tip: disconnect the battery before working on a vehicle to reduce the risk of shorting out the battery on tools or lines. LinesToGo lines are made with a sectional design for easier installation. We also use color-coded unions on our sectioned lines. Just match the colors at the connections. Tools required: 10mm socket and ratchet, drain pan, LinesToGo disconnect tool part number 5834-01. The level of difficulty for this installation is considered to be easy. Start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal using a 10mm socket. Next, remove the two bolts that secure the top of the front bumper using a 10mm socket. Next, use a 10mm socket to remove the 6 bolts that secure the top of the radiator support in place. Note, there are 2 bolts on top of the support that do not need to be removed. Remove the radiator support and position it off to the side. The support will still have the hood release cable attached. At the driver's side top of the cooler, remove the plastic clips from the quick connect fittings. Use the LinesToGo transmission disconnect tool part number 5834-01 to release both transmission cooler lines at the cooler. Remove the plastic clips from the fittings at the transmission and remove both quick connect fittings using the LinesToGo disconnect tool. Remove both transmission cooler lines from the vehicle. To begin the installation of your new LinesToGo transmission cooler lines, start by installing the line labeled 139B into position. Secure the front into the bottom quick connect fitting at the cooler and secure the plastic ring over the connection. Connect the other end of the line into the passenger side quick connect fitting at the transmission and secure the plastic ring. Next, install the other LinesToGo transmission cooler line labeled 139A into position. Connect the front of the line into the top quick connect fitting in the cooler and replace the plastic ring. Connect the other end of the line into the driver's side quick connect fitting in the transmission and replace the plastic ring. Replace the upper radiator support into position, making sure the hood release cable is routed correctly. Tighten the 6 bolts that secure the upper support using a 10mm socket. Replace the 2 bolts at the top of the front bumper using a 10mm socket. Reconnect the negative battery terminal using a 10mm socket. With the vehicle running on a flat level surface, check the transmission fluid level and top it up as required. This concludes the installation of transmission cooler lines on a 2010 Dodge Grand Caravan using LinesToGo part number TCL-139. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or would like to purchase the lines you saw today, please call us at 1-855-781-5992. Email us at info@linestogo.com or check out our website link below. And don't forget to take advantage of our free 2-day shipping. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below, and we will see you on our next video.